Your cat definitely heard you call their name, but they're choosing to ignore you on purpose. Scientists in Japan proved that cats can tell their names apart from other words. They tested this by saying random words to cats, then saying their actual names. The cats' ears perked up, and their heads moved differently when they heard their real names. So why do they still ignore you? Unlike dogs, cats evolved as independent hunters. They didn't need humans to survive, so they never developed the same urge to obey commands. But here's what most cat owners miss. Your cat is actually responding, just in sneaky ways. Watch their ears. If they flick or rotate toward you, they heard you. Their tail might twitch slightly, or they might do a slow blink in your direction. These are cat ways of saying, "Yeah, I heard you, but I'm busy." Cats do come when called in specific situations, though, when they're hungry, scared, or genuinely want attention. So next time your cat ignores you, remember they definitely heard their name.